Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to search a PDF or ebook in Google and then download it later on. So let's say for example, I need or I want to download a classroom management strategies PDF. So what are we going to do? First, search it on internet, search it on Google rather, and then please include in your search button classroom management strategies, then include PDF at the last portion. Then click search. After that, you will see on the different websites, there's a PDF here. Okay, after the website link, as you can see here, if we scroll down, there's a PDF here after the website link. So meaning you can click that and then download the PDF. So let's say for example this one, effective classroom management. Click that and then it will download. So let's check if we were able to download it. Click the downloads and then here we have it. So we already have the PDF copy of the PDF that we want to download. So that's the way on how to do it. So that's it for today.